Hi guys, I'm Rachel from 3rd CSE. Today I'm going to be explaining my fourth exercise in database systems. It's going to be about sets and joins. So this is the basic definition for joins. It is used to access data from more than one table. So what joins basically does is like it accesses data from more than one table and puts it together into another separate table. It's displayed as a separate table. So there are different types of joins such as equijoins, non-equijoins, outer join, self-join, inner join, natural join, and so on. So set is going to perform the basic set operations like union, intersect, minus, except, etc. So we know the basic set operations like union unites the common values between two columns. The same thing is going to happen here. So having explained what joins and sets are, I'll explain the questions for this session. Display the product that was ordered and delivered. The hint has been given as union, so I'm going to be using union here. So as you can see that I've just written two different queries like select product ID from order line and select product ID from supplier, and I've given the union keyword. When I do this, all the product ID has been displayed uniquely. Suppose if we give union all in the place of union, the product ID will be like all IDs will be displayed. Even if there is repetition, then that gets displayed. Okay, the next question is going to be display the details of the product that are yet to be delivered. The keyword is given as minus, and for this I'm just going to do a minus operation between two queries. So in the place of union, like in the previous query, I'm going to give minus here, and these two product IDs have been displayed. List the name of the customer who has placed an order after 10th October 2014. And for this I'm just going to use a normal query like select C customer name from customer C, where the C and O are alias names, where C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID, and order date is greater than 10th October 14. When I've given the query like this, I'm getting the output as no rows selected. This is because there are no orders which has been placed above the date 10th October 2014. So the next question is to display the details of the product that are delivered within 10 days. And for that, I'm going to be using this query. Select order ID, product ID, and product description from order 1, order line, and product table. These three tables I've linked it using the primary key of each table, like O dot order ID is equal to P dot order ID, and product ID is equal to P1 dot product ID, and order date. Here you can see that I've used the between and AND function. So when I use this function, it's going to display all the name of the customer who has placed order with and received the order back in like the order has been placed and it has been delivered within 10 days. So 1st October 14 and 10th October 14 is the time limit, and these are the customer details of the customer ID, like order ID, the product ID, and the thing that has been delivered. My next question is to display the details of the customer who has received their ordered product. So here the same simple query is used. Like we have equated the customer ID in customer table and order table, and this is the name of the customers whose orders has been received. The sixth question is to display the details of the product whose quantity is greater than 10. Like the order quantity is greater than 10 in this question. So here the condition we're going to be giving is like we are going to equate the product ID of the order line table and product ID of the product table, and the next condition is going to be the order quantity is greater than 10. So as you can see here, we are going to get so all these orders have an order quantity greater than 10. These are the orders which are greater than 10. So the next question is going to be to display the details of the order ID with order date and customer name. So the hint is given as inner join. So we're going to use another keyword called inner join here, and this is how it works. When we use the keyword inner join, like customer and order 1 are two different columns, and when we use inner join, the details are going to be displayed like this. So the question was to display the details of order ID and order date and customer name. As you can see, this is the customer name, order ID and order date. So it's just going to link the two different tables, and it's just going to give me the value without any repetition. The next question is to display the details of all the products that have been ordered and also the details of the delivered product, and the keyword used is left outer join. So as you can see here, we have used left outer join, and then we've got the when we use left outer join, it's gonna display all the values in the left side of left table without any repetition. So that's what left outer join is used for. So as you can see, we've got the order ID and the product description. So here left outer join is the keyword which is used between the two different columns, order, order line and product. The next question is going to be to display the details of all customers as well as the order details. So we're going to use full outer join for that. The hint is given as full outer join. So full outer join is like it just combines two tables without any repetition. It'll combine all the attributes of one table with all the attributes of the other table, and this is how my this is the keyword which is used, and this is how my table is going to get displayed. Next is to display the details of the supplier who has ordered an office desk. So for that, we are going to select asterisk, which is going to display all the details from the supplier the product table, where the product ID and supplier ID has been product ID of both the product and the supplier has been equaled, and the product description is going to be office desk. So this is how the detail is going to get displayed. So this is for my fourth experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.